The best roller skates depend on your style, skill level, and comfort needs, whether you're cruising outdoors or speeding on inlines. Prioritize boot support and wheel type, and the right pair will let you glide with confidence. Starting at number 1. Chicago Skates Classic Quad Roller Skates. Classic comfort meets performance with Chicago's high-top quad skates, designed for skaters who want durability, control, and versatility. Featuring a sturdy vinyl boot, 60mm PU spoke core wheels, and semi-precision bearings, these skates deliver reliable traction and smooth rolling whether you're indoors or out. The adjustable trucks and toe stops make turning and stopping easy, while the lace-up design with speed hooks ensures a snug, supportive fit. Just remember to order a size down, as the whole size sizing runs large, and you'll be ready to roll with confidence from the very first stride. Number 2. Moxi Panther Roller Skates. Built for skaters who refuse to compromise on style or performance, the Moxi Panther roller skates deliver ultra-durable suede construction with a sleek black design accented by bold panther print details. Inside, the DRILX lining and padded tongue keep feet comfortable and dry, while the high-top boot with extra ankle padding offers the precise support you need for confident strides. Rolling on 58mm 78A cushioning wheels and ABC5 bearings, these skates absorb outdoor terrain for an exceptionally smooth ride, and the high-impact Marvel aluminum plates with sturdy metal trucks provide reliable control and stability. With an easy lace system for a custom fit, the Panther is ready to prowl. Just be sure to check the size chart before ordering, and you'll be gliding in style from the very first push. Number 3. Roller skates for women and men. Blending retro charm with modern functionality, the Papasan Classic Quad skates offer a safe and stable ride that's perfect for beginners and seasoned skaters alike. Their high-top design features a breathable, 2-layer microfiber leather upper that molds comfortably to your feet while providing excellent ankle support, and the easy lace-up system lets you dial in the perfect fit. Built with a durable aluminum base plate for responsive turning and control, plus quiet, grippy polyurethane wheels, these skates handle both indoor rinks and outdoor pavement with ease. The front support column adds extra braking confidence for new skaters, making every glide feel secure and smooth. With a fresh, stylish look that stands out in any crowd, they're an ideal gift for kids, teens, and adults. Just slip them on and enjoy the ride. Number 4. Glidr Sneaker Skate Red/Black. Built for skaters who want athletic comfort with serious performance, the Roller Derby Elite Glidr Sneaker Skate combines sleek sneaker styling with high-impact hardware. The vented mesh tongue and padded power strap keep your feet cool and securely locked in, while the lace-up closure and molded sole offer a snug, responsive fit. Underfoot, 70mm chemistry radical high rebound wheels and race-rated Bevo silver bearings deliver smooth, fast rides on outdoor surfaces, and the aluminum trucks with PU cushions ensure stable, controlled turns. With an adjustable toe stop and durable resistor chassis, these skates are ready for action. Just remember they're in men's sizing, so ladies should order one size down for the perfect fit. Number 5. Roller Derby Track Star Adjustable Skates for Kids. Designed with growing kids and new skaters in mind, the Roller Derby Track Star skates offer a smart, hassle-free way to hit the rink or pavement. Their durable hardshell boot provides excellent ankle support and protection, while the push-button adjustable sizing lets them grow up to 4 sizes, so you won't have to buy new skates every season. The lightweight frame with real trucks ensures agile, controlled turns, and the 54mm urethane wheels paired with G-Force carbon bearings deliver a smooth, steady ride on any surface. Plus, the cam lever buckle system means no laces to fuss with, just clip on and go. Perfect for beginners and intermediate skaters alike, these skates make learning fun, safe, and effortless from the very first glide.